Kabir that day. Meera found a seed beneath the ground. Let's plant a dream, and they gathered around. Dig a little hole, tuck it in tight. Give it some water, sunshine and lights. Grow, grow, little seed. Love and care are all you need. Sun above and roots below. Hand in hand, we'll help you grow. Aarav brought water in a little blue can. Tara built a fence with a wonderful plan. Kabir kept the soil soft and strong. Meera cheered the seed with a happy song. Day after day, they came to see, when will our tiny seed become a tree? Grow, grow, little seed. Love and care are all you need. Sun above and roots below. Hand in hand, we'll help you grow. One bright morning, what did they see? A little green leaf waving happily. Then a strong wind began to blow, but the four friends wouldn't let it go. Hold it steady, make it strong. Working together we can't go wrong. A little patience every day can help great things grow our way. Grow, grow, little tree. Spread your branches wild and free. Flowers blooming, birds that sing. Friendship makes a wonderful thing. Grow, grow, touch the sky. Wave your happy leaves up high. Side by side, we helped you grow. Together, we can do much more. A tiny seed, a dream come true. With love from four good friends like you.